In today's video, I'll show you how you can use the 1 of 10 coupon code. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go here into the website of 1 of 10 using the link in our description. Once you're here, you want to go and click here on sign up now. And from here, you just need to sign up using your email, password, or confirm your password in here. Or you could just go into signing up using your Google account. Either way works fine. And now once you're all signed up, you will now be prompted here into the pricing plan. And I have a 50% discount for the plans here for you. But this only works on the basic plan, either for yearly or monthly. This will not work if you go for the pro plan. For example, you want to go for yearly and go with basic. Click here on buy now. And then once you're here in the checkout page, what you need to do is to click here on add promotion code. And now you just need to type in the code, which is POD50, and click on apply. And after that, you will now be able to see that the price is now dropped to a massive 50%. So from $349, it's now $174.50. And now that it's applied, all you have to do now is provide your information and click on subscribe. After that, it will now be processed and you have successfully purchased a 1 of 10 basic plan with a discount because of the coupon code. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.